December.
Welcome back to my channel. Nicole, Elise here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a hair video, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I get these like textured, tussled, effortless waves. I just love this kind of style. It's like my favorite kind of look. I personally think like something very effortless and like looks like you didn't spend like an hour doing your hair. The ends of my hair are a little bit more on the straighter side. It just looks much more beachier, and I love that. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite hair straighteners in the world, the GHD Platinum Professional Performance Styler. I know, that's a mouthful, but it is one of the best hair straighteners I think I've ever had, and the fact that I'm able to achieve this look with a straightener, I get the best of both worlds. I love that, and I know you guys are gonna love it too. If you wanna see how I managed to get this tussled look, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to take my GHD Platinum Professional Performance Styler. That is a mouthful to say, but it is a fantastic hair straightener. I really love this one because when I turn it on, you're gonna notice it has this really cool tune, which I've never had with any kind of hair straightener, but I'm gonna play it for you. And then it takes a few seconds just to heat up. I'm just gonna let that sit while it gets heated. I like to just brush through my hair just to get all the tangles out, so when we style it, it doesn't have any kinks or knots or any tangles. I'm actually going to section off my hair. My like guideline is kind of splitting my hair in half by going right above my ears. And I just go straight back, and then I'm gonna take my clip. Now that the straightener is heated, I'm just going to take little sections of my hair. The way that I can explain it is I hold it at a horizontal angle, and I grab the hair and I just wrap it around, and I grab the top of my hair straightener and I just twist it. I know it doesn't look that cute when you first do it, but once the style is all done, it really all comes together. And because we're starting at the bottom of our hair, you don't have to worry too much about having precision because it is going to be the bottom of your hair, so it's not really going to be as seen. You know how like certain straighteners, if you try to like curl your hair with it, it like lags and it gets kind of jaggedy, and it just drives me crazy trying to use a hair straightener like that. This is such a smooth way to do it, so it definitely is helpful. Because we did go outwards just now, what I like to do is rotate and go inwards now. So I go outwards, inward, and I just kind of, you know, don't really have a method to my madness. I would leave about an inch or two and not curl all the way to the bottom. So this part, we're gonna go back outwards, and I'm just going to twirl and let go, just like that. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do it and fast forward it because it does get pretty repetitive. Two pieces always have to be going away from my face, so I'm going to take equivalent amounts, and I'm just going to wrap it and make sure it goes away from my face, and then I'm just going to hold out on the end of it. So as you can see, it's coming together, and I have these like little baby hairs that have grown out, so I'm going to grab those and I'm going to try to style them with this piece, but it does get kind of hard because I do have a lot of baby hairs. Comment down below if any of you guys can understand where I'm coming from. The struggle is real. But anyway, so I like to pull and just let the hair straightener do its magic. So I'm gonna pull all the hair to the front now, brush through my hair, just softly. Like, don't start running your brush through your hair like crazy because static. Kind of run your fingers through it, honestly, is better than taking a brush. So I just pull the pieces and just kind of run my fingers through the pieces just like this, and as you can see, it's already looking so much better than just now. And I'm going to curl some of the pieces at the ends just a little bit closer, and then flatten out the ends just like this. Now that my hair is at the wave that I want it to be at, the next thing I'm gonna do is take some texturizing spray. And this stuff is amazing. I love it. I've gone through bottles of this, and I'm just going to lift my hair and just spray underneath where I lift, and it just starts to add some texture. See how it's already starting to go boom. Okay, and then I like to take Triple Sec by Dry Bar, and this is basically a 3-in-1, texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes, so it's like a dry shampoo slash texturizing, but I like how it does really amplify at the root, so I just lift this up and spray it right at the tops of my root and just rub it in, and it just lifts my hair. Just gives it a little hair lift. My hair has a lot of like texturizing spray in it. I feel like it looks really matte, so I want to add a little bit shine to it. It smells so tropical and delicious. I love it. And it just puts some shine back into my hair. Whew. This is what I go for. So that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And also go check out GHD's website. I will have all the links down below where you can see some really cool recreated hair looks that bloggers have created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.